Welcome to Skypoint AI tutorial to add private vector database. Are you concerned about data storage and security while considering next-generation AI solutions for your enterprise? If yes, discover how Skypoint AI can help users maintain ownership and control of their data by enabling them to host their own vector database within the Skypoint AI ecosystem. This solution addresses storage preferences, compliance requirements, and ensures business continuity with personalized data solutions. Users can set their private vector database for a new tenant on Skypoint AI platform by navigating to the Settings tab, present at the bottom of the sidebar. Then choose Tenants. Next, click on Add New Tenant to set own preference to add private Astra database for storage. Follow the step by filling in tenant details, like name, display name, and your website URL first. Click the Next button at the bottom to continue. You can modify the default settings for Azure Data Lake Gen 2, Azure Cognitive Search, and Cosmos Database before getting to the vector database settings. Alternatively, you can keep clicking the Next button until you reach the vector database settings. In vector database settings, deselect the option for using the default Astra vector database settings as shown. Now enter your private Astra database credentials into the fields, like the database ID and token info. Then click the Test Connection button to verify if the connection is successful. After establishing the connection, click the Save button to apply the changes. The saved database connection will appear under Tenants. Congratulations on successfully setting up private Astra data within the Skypoint AI platform. This brings you to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.